Hello everyone, it's me, Magnus from Heracles Machinery. This is our 160 telescopic. Compact in size, perfect machine for driving indoors, in stables. Also very good, the weight is low, you can take it on a trailer to move it to your work site very easily. So come and see, we can take a look at the machine. So this one has the narrow tire, so it's only 107 centimeter, so you can drive through 110 door, and it comes with the Avant quick hitch, like we have on all our small machines. You also have the hydraulic function here, so you can use like a sweeper or hydraulic attachment. So this has a telescopic boom. You can see, we will show you the measurements, how high you can lift. So the lifting height is 2,500 millimeter, 250 centimeter. And then the height, 215. Yeah, we can check the length as well. 230, 2.3. We could measure. So here is 112, and if we extend, 172, 60 centimeter. It's around 60 centimeter telescopic boom. This machine has the inching function, like we have on all our machines from 160 and up. So you can adjust here the speed of the machine, but still have a high flow with the hydraulic function for the attachment. That's very good for a sweeper or a snowblower. So this machine has our joystick with the two hydraulic functions. One function is for the telescopic boom, and one is for the hydraulic function for the attachment. And it also have the lock function here. So you can turn on the sweeper and lock it, then it continuously driving. So the engine on the 160 telescopic, it's a Janmar 3-cylinder diesel. It has 17.8 kilowatt. That's like 24 horsepower. So Janmar engine, 5 years warranty. And remember, to get the 5 years warranty, you need to contact us, send all your information with the serial number and everything, your name, yeah, all information. And also good to send the serial number plate, and we can activate the warranty for you. This is the hydraulic function, and it also has the free return line to the tank here. That's good when you have a snowblower. The weight of this machine is 1180 kilo. That's with no bucket, so it's very low weight and perfect for a trailer. So this machine, it has the operating capacity for 600 kilo. It comes with you have the road lights, and you have LED lights, and you have a warning light. I'm pretty big guy, but I feel really good sitting on this machine. I'm 190 centimeter, and yeah, it feels nice, good position, and I really like the steering angle. You can drive in very narrow areas. So that was little about 160 telescopic. Now we will show you when we drive. So let's go out. Okay, so that was our 160 telescopic. We will do more content with this one. We will take it on the trailer and visit some friends to test it out, and yeah, we will do more stuff with this one. So follow and subscribe, and you will see more. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.